I was so very smart, so I fly the drone. Should be somewhere here, in the pine tree. So this is a pine. The thing is very fine, so should be around the area. So when I go down, I'm gonna go down to my roof of my neighbor. So far, I didn't see anything. So, well, we have to retrieve that thing. It just somewhere here. When the wind blows, you're gonna go down. So I'm gonna end up checking the roof and on his roof. So it should fall on this area. If the drone falls down, you're gonna be buried with the snow. And I hope it will not mess up the electronics. So somewhere here, I have no big telescope, but it should be there. Alrighty, the battery is gone. It's only 18 minutes. Alrighty. So Neo DJI is somewhere around this branches. Alright, we're gonna check it later. We're gonna shovel more snow. Alright, Meta, turn off the video. Hey, Meta. Okay, I got a ladder over here. I think I found my drone. It's on top of the roof. Alright, here we go. I'll be careful. Here we go. It's under my neighbor's roof. Oh boy. Let me see. Oh my God, it's right there. That's my drone. I don't know if I have the thing. Oh boy. Hope it works. It's right there. Hooey! Grumpy old man found my drone. Let me get a pole. I'm safe over here. Alright, I got a pole. There we go. Here we go. I got a pole. I hope it can be reachable. Here we go. We're going up. We're not going down this one. All right. Hold a second. So, the floor is not. Well, I'm gonna end up. I gotta take this one. It's been there for a long time. Let me turn around. Hold on. No mistake over here. Oh God, this thing is heavy. Here we go. Oh my God, I'm short. I'm short like 2 feet. It's right there, the drone. I gotta figure it out. I got a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna use my neighbor's side. So I'll be short, so by standing. Everything is dry, so this ladder is safe. So I'm gonna go to his wall. Here we go. Oh boy, stepping on the edge. Hello, drone. Neo, come over here. Oh God. Oh yeah. Come here. All right, Tony. Come here. I don't want to spend another $400. Oh, come here. Hooey, I got it. There's no more battery, of course. It should work. Oh, love you. You see? That's my number 2 battery. Alright. Hey, Meta. We got the drone. It was flying there. I'm so smart to fly it on the storm, but it ended up over there and then fell down here. All right, I will not do it anymore. Hey Meta, turn on the. Okay, so I don't know if the battery works, but I have another battery, so it's working. So let's fly it. Just a few seconds. We're gonna fly. Here we go. It's point interest. I don't want to lose this thing. All right. Let's just go back again. All right. It's ready to fly. And we are ready. It's recording. Oh God. Oh. That's good. All right. Let's fly it. Forward. We got a few more batteries. Let's just bring it up. Let's turn it around. And then you go down. Go down. Come to me, Poppy. Stop. All right. It works.